Hello! As you can see, these are the affected areas of the tsunami. Come on, let's go somewhere else. And look at the areas of water that has been damaged. Or the thing.
Wait, okay.
As I was saying, these are the areas that have been affected by the wave. Oh look, there's one now. The wave, it keeps following me. It just won't stop. Please, if you are nearby, evacuate. Go. Find shelter now. There's no time to waste. If you can, go in any attic that you have, because the water is rising very fast. Getting washed away down in the... I am at the scene of the Tennessee tsunami, and oh look, a survivor! So how are you on this fine day?
Fine. Fine. You think it's a fine day today?
Oh look, another wave!
No. No. No.
No.
Why does the news reporter never get hit by waves? Waves hit the news reporter. No. Now I die dramatically.
Oh no, he's dead.
A moment of silence for him. Okay, we'll be back after the break.
There's still a little drizzle, and I guess there are no more survivors except for me and Riley and Trevor. The newscast. Oh no, another wave!
No.
Hello!
A survivor.
What is your name?
Jimmy.
Nice to meet you. Jimmy.
What's your name?
My name is Robert.
You're a girl.
I can't get up, Jimmy.
I'll help you, Robert. Robert. I think that there's another wave coming.
Oh, here it comes. Ah! There we go, rolling down the hill again. Oh, let's die again. Jimmy, are you all right?
No.
Okay.
You think I'm alright?
I don't.
I will attack the tsunami.
No.
Record.
Jimmy! Help me, Jimmy! Help me! I can't get
I'm
up.
dead!
I'm falling and I can't get up!
Life alert! Life alert!
Life alert, get help! Jimmy! Legs burn. Oh, it keeps following me.
Would that look more realistic?
Yes.
Right,
Recording now?
Yes?
How about now?
Yes.
Recording. What? Look at I wanna do it.
Ow! Oh my god.
Stupid.
Oh.
Try to lick some.
It's fun. Num num. So nummy.
Okay, fine. Hey. When you starting to record?
Just record.
La la la. Oh well. La la la.
Doesn't matter. Oh, the poor bush. We're going out tonight. Tonight. Let's party on the rooftop, top of the world tonight.
You look beautiful.
Oh yes, I do.
Little Muslim.
Whew. Dinner.
I can't.
Dinner.
I can't do it. Okay, watch this. The finale.